Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to teach you how to delete your Rumble accounts. So what you do is you click on your icon on the top right, go to settings and scroll all the way down and click on the link where it says close your account. So it'll give you the option to contact support@rumble.com to send them an email, and just send them an email to let them know that you want to close your account with reasons why. So when you get the confirmation, this is the confirmation that your account has been closed. Once your account has been closed, can't be reopened after 30 days. Email can't be reused, and your username cannot be reused. So this is where they close your account. So that is it.